Hello YouTube, what's up my friends, Moody's here. We have previously unboxed together this tacker for wood and stuff, and today I got something special for it. This accessory which will make it a stapler for paper, not only a tacker for wood. So check this out. I bought it specially from Amazon.de, so this is only available in Germany. I wasn't able to get it from Amazon USA, so let's get inside. Here is this tiny accessory, my friends. Costs around 15 euros. This place will be how it's gonna hook to the stapler. I guess I did it right. No, not completely. Now it's completely inside. Just a single click and press down and it's done. I will staple half of the paper, not all of it. Now it's perfectly done. Here is a bulky, heavy stapler which we don't need anymore. Huge efforts, noisy and heavy. They had another one which is meant to staple some magazines from the middle here, but I didn't need it that much. So I ordered only this part, and I thought it would be nice sharing it with all of you, my friends. Again, it's not very expensive. It's not expensive at all to make this wood tacker a paper stapler. So that's about it, my friends. This tiny plastic part makes this wood tacker become a paper stapler. I highly recommend this part for those who already own this tacker, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Please give us thumbs up if you like the video, and for sure subscribe for more. Until then, I will see you in the next one. Peace.